how to connect to any Wi-Fi without using password. This method is true, and all you need to do is subscribe to create a link between the connection so that the method will work for you. Okay, and remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Okay, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button to support my channel. So the first step, you go to settings, click on connections, and then click on Wi-Fi. Make sure it's turned on, and here I'm going to want you to click on the Wi-Fi you want to connect to. As for me, I'm just going to click in plugins JMO, this one, and then here I'm going to want you to click on advanced, and then in IP settings change it to static, and then in IP address I'm going to want you to put this code, input 192.168.1.2. okay, and then in gateway input the same code, change the last code to 2, input just put the same code, and then in network prefix length change it to 30. okay, change it to 30. I'm gonna just change it to 30, and then in DNS1 input this code. Okay, input 1.1.1.1. okay, and then DNS2 input this code again, 2.2.4.4. okay, and then in proxy change it to manual. Okay, and then in proxy hostname input proxy.wps.com. okay, and then in proxy port input 8080, and then after that click save, then go back and click on the Wi-Fi again. As you can see, I am connected without using any Wi-Fi password. If this method works for you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and watch more videos like this.